So, hello all, this is Sanjeev again with one such fresh episode in our channel. So, in this video, we will be going to discuss about something called A2B testing. And to be frank, A2B testing is a new topic, and it's a new one to be that's being basically generally used in our domain. And coming to the point, what is meant by A2B testing? A2B something is a traditional method, also traditional methodology which is being used by the IT professionals or data science companies, which is used to by in sort of recommendation systems they use in place of recommendation systems, right? So as I already mentioned, it's a traditional technique. So nowadays these methods can't be used a lot, cannot be used a lot, but mostly techniques can be used to prevail, and many things are being done in according to modification of the modern trend scenario. So how data science is being completely related to A2B testing? Many of these questions would be arise in your mind, right? So the answer to these questions is some kind of testing techniques basically exist while we develop them, or the tools which are being developed from the available tools, right? So what happens is basically whenever the feature occurs, or whenever the situation does, the data science machine learning algorithms come into existence, and the domain also sustains it. So A2B testing is something which is being completely based on a recommendation system. So as I already said about recommendation system, let me give a small intro about recommendation system. So if we go to some e-commerce site, and there if you have some ratings of on a particular website, then they used to place up an hour ads with the updation of new thumbnails, with the updation of new versions, and with the updation of new images of our your recommendation for recommending that particular product, right? So what happens is, only when these kind of products attract you, you will also buy them. So the basic principle behind the marketing is always lies that a recommendation system that is being already put up in this video, right? So what happens is, whenever you click on the particular ad, the particular product is being searched, or particular product is being deployed in your account, or particular product is being searching in the search history, right? So then whenever you click a product, it will just hang up on every place where you visit. Like if you visit Google Chrome, like if you visit a particular shopping site, and if you visit a particular website, right? Like if you take an example of Amazon.com, so what happens is, when you search a website over the other domains, so what happens is, whenever it is used to exploit, whenever they need to target you, the audience, they use machine learning algorithms. And once you click on the thumbnails, and once you click on with the thumbnails that basically they require you to click. So once you have done this, what happens is, they will deploy new thumbnail. So the real-time scenario that can be easily deployed, that can be easily done is, you can easily say, let's compare to it real world scenario. So what happens is, if you search for a product in Amazon, and if you like a thumbnail, and if you just viewed it up once, so what happens is, at one time of scenario, it will be targeted and showed to you again and again by the machine learning algorithms, and by behind the works that they have been doing, right? So the next time whenever you click the product, the new thumbnail would be directing to you, and the new amount of data should be showed, but the same product would be deployed once you click the overview of the whole scenario. So what happens is, next thing, whenever these algorithms come into existence, these kind of scenarios also play a vital role, right? So next scenario is something which is being mainly used by some kind of visual effect. They also use many kind of algorithm, and many kind of traditional recognition systems and imaging systems. And there exists a data visualization part also comes, where on the dashboard we can easily plot up the admin side. From the admin side we can easily see up the graphs, and from the admin side we could also make up the thoughts, and we could also target the particular see the reach of the particular thumbnails. Like if we get a display board of a particular product using data visualization tools, so what happens is, we could just view up with them. And some kind of tools can be also used to see particular thumbnail, which thumbnail hits and which got fails, and which is being particularly used for user direction and user interaction. So coming to the point is, when these recommendation systems or machine learning algorithms were not in demand like as they are in today, so what happens is, there have been basically some kind of A2B testing. So if we search for a product of A, so what happens is, the same image would be shown in B also, even though the B would be different kind of a different category product. But what happens is, they would be showing the same up image in the A to B, showcasing of that A to B is a similar product. They will categorize the result by using a categorization algorithm. and these kind of precision algorithms are being not used in today's scenario, but they are being some kind of using in the traditional scenario. So what happens is, like similarly, if we point out a B product as the initial product and people search out to be the A products, then what happens is people basically show the same image to the A product also, so that the people also buy the A one also. So this is the basic principle behind the A2B testing, and the A2B testing can be also done by the application programmers. It's been basically done by the developers, then followed by application programmers, then followed by test analysis purposes, which are situated across the very global industries, right? So then followed by this A2B testing is being a main scenario which uses many kind of inbuilt packages and many kind of inbuilt knowledge. So this is a kind of a small short video that I need to just converse about the views of the A2B testing in data science. So that's all for today's video, and let me meet on your next video. So that so do hit that subscribe button if you really like the content that I put up in my channel, and do really like and share with your friends if you really like of the video that I put like. So thank you for today, thanks for watching, and thanks for today. Let us meet on next video. Thank you.